So hi guys, welcome to all my another video. In today's video, what we are discussing about one of the interview question, okay, which asked by the interviews, right? In negative indexing in Python. Okay, if you know about the negative indexing, but you don't know how to explain, we will going to start. See. Negative indexing in Python is used to access element from the end of a sequence such as a list, tuple or a string. ठीक है, instance of counting from the beginner index 0, negative indexing start from the last. So basically we have a positive indexing, right? A positive indexing is always a start from 0, right? And whenever we wanted to fetch the values from the starting, that time we use a positive indexing. And negative indexing, now we have like a number of data, right? And we are not able to start counting from the start, and we want to start from the end. That time we use a specific negative indexing, right? And the negative indexing, guys, is always start from -1. Take an example. If I wanted to fetch the last value, I use -1. If I wanted to fetch second last values, I'll go with -2, then -3. Okay? You can explain with while creating the data structure if the numbers 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now I wanted to fetch a 40 value, then you can also give this syntax. So basically guys, whenever they ask some question, right, on the negative indexing, positive indexing, on specific slicing, what you need to do along with the explanation, that will be impressive if you give the structure and fetch the particular data. ठीक है? So basically what interview get कि आपको theoretical knowledge के साथ आपको practical knowledge भी उतना ही है, right? So whenever negative indexing आपको पूछा जाए, explain the description and then also show them how that the particular last value get fetched, right? Then last point is there, negative indexing makes it easy to access element from the end without knowing the total length of sequence. हमें टोटल लेंथ फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. विदाउट दैट टोटल लेंथ वी विल गेट द लास्ट वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द डेटा सेट, राइट? ओके.